So it's Thursday morning, September 14th. We stayed at a rest area about an hour west of Thunder Bay. And about 5:30 this morning, there was a severe thunderstorm which woke us up, and we were looking out the window. And this is the tree that got struck by lightning about 50 feet from us and exploded. You can see it took out a bunch of the other trees around it. Took the top off of that one. There's pieces of it all over the parking lot. We were looking right out the window, and there was a flash and an explosion. And this is the piece I'm going to keep. They say you're supposed to make something out of the lightning tree. Homer made a bat.